What's up, everybody? Welcome to Claiming Christianity. My name is Steve. I don't do these very often, but this is the elusive unboxing. Let's see what's in here. I'm pretty sure that I know, and I'll tell you what, the reason that you haven't seen tons and tons of Bible reviews, at least from me, is because they just haven't been kind of showing up. I've talked to a few of the, like Thomas Nelson and Christian Standard Bible send me a couple. I think these are CSBs. But production, due to everything that's going on in the world, production and shipping has been really difficult. So that's why you haven't seen tons and tons of brand new Bibles getting cranked out like usual. There's plenty in store, but let's take a look at what's in here because I'm excited about these Bibles. I'm opening it up from the bottom because all my address and stuff's on the other side. So we'll see what happens here. Trusty Swiss Army knife. Never leave home without it, right? Okay. Ooh, this is just the shipping slipping. Okay, here we go. So let's move that to the side. We got the Ancient Faith Study Bible. I'm really excited about this Ancient Faith Study Bible. I wanted to review it. I know there's a couple of reviews out there already, but essentially my understanding is this will help us understand from the writings of early church fathers, such as like Irenaeus and Origen, Justin Martyr, Tertullian. That's where some of the like commentary on the scripture comes in here. And you guys know, I've said this a bunch, I love the CSB. I've really fallen in love with the Christian Standard Bible translation. So I'm really excited about this. While you're here, let's just open it up. Ooh, because this is really pretty. I'm excited. You guys know that I like my hardbound, and this is like leather over board. This is really nice. All right, so we have the CSB and crimson leather over board Ancient Faith Study Bible. Full review will be coming out in a week or two. As soon as I can get these filmed and out to you guys, I will. There's one more in here. Ooh, this one I'm excited too. I'm going to be reading through this one for sure. This is a day-by-day chronological Bible in navy leather touch. I smell the leather touch too. It smells just as good. Don't judge. This is a really nice Bible. And I did check out a few pictures. Nice wide margins in this Bible. I'm really excited to take a look how they've broken down the kind of day-by-day chronological part of it and see what that is so I can review it for you guys. So I'm excited to show you these Bibles. Stay tuned. Hey, if you're not subscribed, what this channel is about, we're here to encourage and equip Christians to be who they claim to be by going through Scripture and reviewing solid tools and resources such as these to help make your day-to-day better and more Christ-focused. If that sounds like something you're interested in, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you stay tuned for these two beautiful Bibles that we'll be reviewing really soon.